Hi friends, this is Kirti from 3D Printware. In this video, I'll be teaching you about patterns. So, what is basically a pattern? Say for example, if you are designing an object in a Creo or in any other 3D platforms. So, you have an object with 100 number of holes. In that case, won't it be that much difficult for you to design each and every hole? Yes, it would obviously be. So that is where pattern comes handy. Hence in this video we'll be seeing about how to use pattern and what are the different types of pattern. So without any further delay, before getting straight into the video, for those who are new to this channel or those who haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you'll be notified every time a new video comes live. And also I'll leave a card there so you can go and check on my previous videos.
So we'll get right into the video. This video I have already created a simple cube of size 150 mm, so for ease of purpose. So as stated above, I'll just go on and draw a circular profile. Just choose this plane, so I'll just go on extrude and I'll choose this plane. I'll draw a circle. So I'll give a dimension as 30 of, diameter as a 30. And the dimensions 130 from the sides, two sides. So I'll click on give and OK. If I give the dimensions in a negative, I'll get a cut, as you can see here. So I'll give the tick mark and hence it comes. So as you can see here, this circle is extruded inwards. So if you are in a case that you need a circle like this extruded inwards or circle like this extruded upwards or any profile to be repeated a same number of times. So for example, you can say that if you want in a more precise way, you can say that if you want to design an object, same object a multiple number of times, so that pattern comes handy. So in this video I'll be teaching you about two types of patterns. One is direction pattern and the next one is axis pattern. So just go on and select this extrude which you want to multiply and click the pattern which you can find in the editing toolbar. So once you click it, you'll be prompted into a pattern workspace. So click on the direction and choose the direction in which if you want to. So in this case I needed the pattern to be in this direction, so I'll choose this edge as my direction. So instantly you can see an arrow mark pops up here. So you can see a square marker here and you can obviously click and drag. So Creo is always user friendly. So you can obviously click and drag this marker, or you can also manually enter the values here. So if for example say I want 3 circles, if I can enter the values, I can manually enter here too. So 3 circles each are specified at a distance of separated by distance of 50 mm. If I'm okay with it, I can go on and click tick marks. So here you can find the pattern. So actually I have just hidden a pattern. So this pattern I needed. So I again went on and re-clicked it. You can just click on and hide the pattern. So the direction plane has been changed. Give the tick mark and you can find. So you can find 3 similar circles. So similarly, this is the direction pattern. So first you need a extruded surface. You need an extruded surface, and then from there you'll be specifying the direction for the extruded surface where it has to replicate, and simple. The next example we'll be seeing about axis pattern. So for that I again created the same cube, and for this example it's quite different. So since the pattern's name itself is an axis pattern, you need an axis for doing this. So I'll be inserting an axis. Go on and click axis, which you can find in the datum toolbar, and choose a plane where you want the axis to be. So I'll choose this plane so that you can see the axis going inwards through the body. As I have already mentioned in my whole video, if you are not watched that video, I'll leave a card here. You can go and watch that whole video. So these markers are for referencing purposes. I'll just refer it to this edge and I'll refer it to that edge. Since I wanted it to be in the middle, I know this is a 150 by 150 cube. So 75 by 75 will be do that for me. So you can find an axis here. Now it's simple. Click on extrude. I'll just select the extruded plane. Go on and do a circle. Just give the dimensions. This is a rough purpose, but you can also give original dimensions if you have industrial drawing diagrams. So now, in this example, I'll extrude the circle. So I'll extrude it by 50. So you can see this is an addition. As a previous example, we saw a subtracted feature. So I'll go on and click this pattern, the same drop down list, and now axis. So once you click on axis, it will prompt you to select the axis. So go on and select the axis which you have given, and you can see 4 black dots. If the black dots are black in color, then it will be visible in the diagram. If it is white, then it would be hidden. That's simple. So you can go on and change this to different numbers. I mean, 10 is not possible in such a small one. So you can go on and give 6, or you can go on and give 5, but I'm happy with 4. So at an angle of distance, you can go on and give 10, and you can click this so that it automatically aligns the angle. If I want 5, I can go on and click 5, and I can click this, and it automatically aligns it according to that angle. And if in this case, I'll go on with 4. So I'll go on and give tick mark. As you can see, you have patterned the same feature along this axis. It's easy, isn't it? So this concludes this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any queries or doubts, please leave a comment below, and I'm always happy to answer those. Subscribe my channel for more contents of these kinds. I'm also planning to take 3D printing contents later, so you'll also not miss those contents if you subscribe my channel now. So thank you friends. Hope to see you in another video.